Esme, turns out we had to go to the clinic.
How's it going, Muffin?
Lunch. Look, we're starting off with a beautiful lunch and beautiful woman. Look who's here. I haven't seen her in ages.
I know, we're like...
Oh my gosh. It's quite funny. So I sat down and I didn't even have a drink yet. We chatted for like 20 minutes solid. And the woman's like, I forgot your drink. Didn't even notice.
Yeah, we were like, don't worry, we're good.
Yeah. So good. There's no one in here. We're catching up.
It's a sign. It says green, yellow, blue.
That's for the squirrels. Squirrels.
Squirrels. Squirrels.
Scrolls. Jeez, what's in that wine?
We've got
Lightweight.
robot handy.
And tattoos.
Yeah, oh yeah, Dad's tatted up. Tatted up. Dad's here tonight. I called in reinforcements here. Dean's been away. He's home Saturday morning, something like that. I was like, yes, Dad, come hang out. And actually, the weather got so mild today. It was like a spring day. Snow's melting like crazy, so we'll see what happens. But now dinner's done. Time to chill. You got one?
This one.
Perfect. So when it's green, you can go.
It's green already. Okay, what does red mean?
Red means wait.
What
Stop.
does yellow mean?
Just wait again. Okay, go ahead. We did it. High five. So here's the picture. So what are these called? Hexie snaps. That's kind of fun. We did it. Kind of amazing how quickly they go from being little itty bitty babies to like using a computer. Also, it was spring like 10 minutes ago. What just happened? Oh, the dreaded storm has arrived. Good morning. It is Saturday and I'm being extra quiet because Dean got home at like 6 a.m. or something, so he's sleeping. Maybe a little bit later. Esme was complaining of a really sore throat last night and hi. And then this morning it kind of came to a head. It seemed like, well, first of all, I gave her an Advil in the middle of the night. Sure, baby, I'll get you some breakfast. Some toast?
Oh, pizza.
I don't have pizza. Do you want toast?
I want
Yogurt? Okay, peanut butter toast. So I gave her an ibuprofen in maybe around like 1:30 in the morning or so, just to kind of help with the pain, and some water. And then I guess she woke up when Dean came home because the dog ends up barking and everything. He gave her Tylenol, so fair enough, a couple hours later. And then this morning I woke up to her throwing up. So she seems in good spirits. She seems like she's a low-grade fever. I have heard the rumblings of the flu going around, so I'm just gonna have to like take it day by day, see how she goes, hour by hour. We've had a tub to reduce the fever, and now she's back in bed. So it sucks. It sucks when your little kids get sick, you know? So anyway, we're on like illness duty right now. Maybe Jack some toast, but I wanted to show you, last night I had made some overnight oats. I'm getting really into them. I like them. This one isn't chocolate, so let's see how it is. Looks pretty good. Blueberries, coconut. Let's see how it is. Shouldn't be as sweet as yesterday's, I don't think. Oh, those are good. Oh, that's real nice. I like the flavor of this one. I'm not really a chocolate fan. I did like the oats yesterday. It was such a lovely dessert, late at night even. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go and watch a video. I'll link it up here where it's clean meal prep and cook with me. I made them there. I will leave the recipe for these below. Really good. Gotta say this. And these, it's like really shitty. Et voila. Well, in the car, got a few groceries, picked up a couple bottles of wine on my way home. Esme, turns out we had to go to the clinic, but she ends up having strep. Esme gets strep real quick, and I'm sure if you or your kids get strep, like you know, they get it like this. And the sore throat and the vomiting and the fever were like big indication that something wasn't right. So when I peeked in her throat today, I saw a bunch of white and it was very red and inflamed. Anyway, I took her to the clinic, and it's weird because I don't rush to the clinic for no reason. And I actually struggle with going, I'm like, should I go? Like, am I gonna sit there for 3 hours? Because waiting can be really long. But I did want to say, what was really nice is she ended up throwing up like while we were waiting in the waiting room. We were probably there for like just about 2 hours, and her fever started to spike, and they took her in right away. Doctor saw her right away. She was in and out in like 5 minutes, which was great. And Canada, I didn't know this because I don't frequent the clinic very much. The prescriptions for kids are free, which is amazing. And I was saying to the pharmacist, I was like, this is going to help so many families. Unbelievable. Because I mean, I'm just gonna say, growing up we didn't have a lot of money all the time, and it's not that we went without prescription medication, but we went without a bunch of stuff because we didn't have a lot of money for things. And I was just like, wow, like if you've got a child that is on regular medication, and maybe you don't have the best coverage plan, like that's amazing. So I just had to give a little shout out to my country because I think that's kind of amazing. Anyway, on my way home, it's about 4:30. I'm gonna make some chicken soup and just kind of do laundry and those kinds of things, and Esme hopefully is still sleeping. So that's what's going on there. Chicken soup on the go. Jack's gonna have some leftover lasagna from last night. And I'm gonna sip wine until the soup is ready. And there it is. Basic chicken soup. Not much to it.
Not enough butter.
Oh no. When you're sick. Good morning. Hi. How's your breakfast? Good. I need more coffee, but I don't know where my coffee cup is. Gotta find it, gotta find it.
Mom, I'm thirsty.
What would you like? Okay, I'll be right back. How's it going, Muffin?
And I'm having too much burps.
Burps? You know what it is? I think it's because you haven't eaten very much in a while.
And I kind of want Mr. Noodles.
Want Mr. Noodles? Okay.
I don't really like too much things that are like hard.
Okay, so Mr. Noodles it is.
I think I can eat like noodles and stuff.
I'll get you some
And it's
noodles.
something like soft.
Okay, sounds good.
I could eat it now.
All right, that's not going down. Well, we're midday, and I was supposed to start that, but got distracted, so I started cleaning out my bathroom. So that's what we're doing. I went through all of my drawers. I even cleaned out my cabinet area. I mean, it's getting done. Even under here, very happy. It's all looking very clean. This makes me very happy. Yay, clean and free of clutter. I really don't use that much stuff for every day, so it's quite nice for it to look like this.
Do it again. I'll put it here if you want. Jack, it's my choice. Put it there.
Okay.
I'll back here.
Wait. She gets to go twice because you took her turn.
Oh, can I do it again?
Okay, now we're back to normal. Now it's your turn.
Look at me.
Do what you gotta do, kid. But remember, the goal of this game is to get 4 across, 4 up and down, or 4 on an angle. Wait, it's not your turn. Strategy. It's not all about blocking. We gotta make a strategy here. Having a little bit of a game before I have dinner. These two have already eaten. Hi.
I'm Jack.
Cheers to Sunday nights and Pinot Noir. Hey, you. And I've done a ton of cleaning, organized the bathroom, took all the garbage out, and the laundry's almost done, so I did it. I deserve a little vino and a little break. Just wanted to show you guys these. So amongst my cleaning, I found these little books. So these are my grandma's, and they've got like little notes about things, but here's what I wanted to show you. So my grandma always put little dates and things in her book. So she got this one in '92 from my aunt. So my aunt gave this to her in '92. She got this one in 2000. And then this one, I mean, this is complex here. This one is from the same brand as that, and she wrote a little note saying, "To me, thank you, Joanne." So she got it for herself, and she wrote that little comment, so in 1990, so I guess that's the first one she got. And I just think that, isn't that just the definition of self-love? She just wrote that to herself, like, this is for me, I'm gonna like it. I don't know, there's just these little books I've had in my life for as long as I can remember, and I'm just glad that I have them. So they're sitting up here on my mantle with my wine, and I just really like it. Dean cooked a really nice meal tonight for us. It looks delish. Beets and various deliciousness and wine. Making my overnight oats. Just a really basic recipe, but delicious. Really like this for breakfast. Just simple with a little bit of coconut flakes and blueberries. It's like my favorite right now.
Sure, I'm already popping these out like confetti.
What? Pop
popping them out like confetti? Where did you hear that? That is funny.
Well, all the minions are sleeping. It's 10 to 12 and...
10 to 12? Oh, I thought you were talking to me. We're just trying to kill every fruit fly.
we got some fruit flies in our kitchen and they won't die. I've took out all the things that brought that. I think it was some bananas and an onion. Anyway, long story short, Dean's magical tricks are not working here. What do you got going on?
I got some, we're supposed to have red wine vinegar, but I can't find it. This is rice wine vinegar. They're really attracted to it. But
they're just like sipping from the pool. They're not
supposed to go in through the little holes there and fall in and die. But they're not doing it. They're sitting around it like it's the pool at the Wynn Hotel
like,
or something.
This is so great. Where's the music?
Yeah.
Just die already. Anyway, so I'm gonna head to bed. We were just chatting and I didn't realize how late it was. So I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video on Friday. Bye.